I'm a car blogger. I like the 08 EMP because it's a new energy car with a hybrid technology.
I love the 08. Lines are very minimalistic but very futuristic at the same time.
The EMP system is very, very good for our cities, especially with high traffic and day-to-day use.
I'm very impressed with the 08. Right now it's going to be the longest range car for electric range in Mexico.
Here, having the chance to accelerate that fast in such a short range and break the car slowing down that fast, that is really cool.
Do you see how much interest of people of this car? Because this one is Lynk & Co. 03 Plus TCR Cyan model. It's a world famous model.
Luxury.
Futuristic. Everything here is futuristic.
Yeah.
Design and technology, all the research and development involved in the performance, it's amazing.
Not only the design, the technology, it's the brand itself. The products are in a good high level of quality. The technology, the hybrid system, it's very impressive.
Capabilities and the different features that these cars can offer in terms of safety.